5 Best Powerline Network Adapters. Here is the product number 5. Wavlink 500 Mbps Powerline Ethernet Adapter. Extend your network coverage over your electrical system to every room. Turn your home's existing electrical circuitry into a high-speed network. No new wires. Use your home's existing electrical wiring to expand your home network by plugging into existing power outlets. HomePlug AV500 standard compliant, high-speed data transfer speeds of up to 500 Mbps. Here is the product number 4. Tenda PH5 1000 Mbps Powerline Network Adapter. Tenda PH5 1000 Mbps Powerline Network Adapter, AV1000 Wireless Wi-Fi Gigabit Powerline Router Extender HomePlug AV2,EU/US plug. Brand name Tenda. Transmission rate: 1000 Mbps. Model number PH5. Wireless transmission rate: 300 Mbps. Here is the product number 3. 1000 Mbps Powerline Adapter Tenda PH3. Rigorous work, excellent choice of materials is PH3 transmission stable, reliable and durable basis, effective transmission distance up to 300 meters. With advanced HomePlug AV2 technology, PH3 provides you with stable, high-speed data transfer rates of up to 1000 Mbps on the powerline. Election materials: safe and reliable. Here is the product number 2. 1 pair Tenda PH3 1000 Mbps Powerline Network Adapter. With advanced HomePlug AV2 technology, PH3 provides you with stable, high-speed data transfer rates of up to 1000 Mbps on the powerline, and integration Gigabit Ethernet ports for wire devices bring you full Gigabit network. Perfect support 4K HD video, smooth online play, at the same whether it is a multimedia player, online games. Here is the product number 1. Tenda PH3 1000 Mbps Powerline Network Adapter, plug and play, easy networking. The factory default pairing: plug in the socket to finish the networking automatically, no need to set, saving time. With advanced HomePlug AV2 technology, PH3 provides you with stable, high-speed data transfer rates of up to 1000 Mbps on the powerline. Accessible wall, internet signal transfer while the powerline exists. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.